Hello, Gandhi.
Let's start ya.
It's recording.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, good morning everyone. Let's start today guest squad meeting as usual weekly. So we start with the review our previous dependency. Oh yeah, by the way, for the recorder is Nadia. Thank you Nadia for recording, and the secretary is Vidya. Okay, let's start review our previous dependency. First is from awareness. Last week I have a dependency to investigate the possibility of mentioning latest update of the date for each listing in Airbnb to reduce repeated inquiry asking about availability. So there is some action plan that we have. So first is adding label availability is updated daily on Eurofoto. And the second is add sentence on the top of description, this English and Bahasa, and then apply a new format of bullet point and description, and then all action is recorded on this card. So this this action plan is will start executed by KW as well for the daily content adapter. Okay. And the next is dependency from the Selene atas the practice of Instagram. Okay, this one is already well documented on Poda as well. Okay, I think just that for awareness, continue to conversion over to Nadine. Please complete the record of Instagram inquiry data. I believe it's already recorded ya Nadine ya. Karena last week itu
Yes, Kak Gani.
kosong. Oke. Dapat berapa? 15 something ya inquiry itu.
Yang dari tanggal 21 28 itu 38 inquiry, yang dari 28 sampai hari ini 20 inquiry.
Wow. Quite high ya. Okay, thank you Nadine. Next to Gray, please fill more inquiry on cold calling. This is not achieved, not much inquiry. No need to brief. Okay, is there any some friction, Gray, about this?
Yes,
Cold calling.
Yeah, I have filled it in, but not the other teammates. That's why I want to ask with them as well. What's their friction? That's why I will help the brief tomorrow morning when we will start about to our shift. Yep.
Okay, so please do update after briefing ya, Gray ya, for this one. Okay, from transformation, I saw Kak Teddy always investigate why achieve the extension and shorten SLA. Okay. No for advocacy and from strategy. I believe we have several dependency from strategy last week. From Lilis, over to Lilis, the finished 6-month pricing strategy on Target Reach is already finished.
Okay, actually for 6 months that haven't finished yet, only the second one. Discussed with PD for the implementation. We are focusing on the new tools basically buat implemented. Tapi yang pertama belum, yang second udah.
Oh ya, second udah, pertama belum. Oke.
Itu buat 2 months.
Oh.
6 months tapi until Feb udah gitu. 6 months.
Berarti emang secara bertahap gitu ya, Lilis ya?
Yeah, I think so. Because the owner discussion juga.
Okay, so I think we can add more the breakdown Lilis for the apa namanya timeline gitu kali ya.
I'll add breakdown.
Okay. Pricing strategy as well. Okay, please update it ya, Lilis ya for the breakdown. Thank you. Next to Hansen, help the transformation team to create guest transformation classification tools. Okay, over to Hansen.
Sorry for not on the turn on camera. It's done and tinggal just wait for Kak Tendi to check the result.
Okay. So can you describe more about this Hansen guest transformation?
Basically, it's with my property classification. It used to classify and the case to meet the site to meet desires and the case transformation. So like like unrecognized needs or meet desires and so on.
Okay, so the client of this project is basically Mas Tendi, transformation
Yes.
chapter, yeah. Okay, so we will wait for from Mas Tendi for for the approval, for the review, gitu ya, Hansen ya?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will check this, and so Mr. Secretary, please tag Mas Tendi to check the guest transformation classification from Hansen. Okay, thank you, Hansen, for the update. Continue to Nadifa.
Question, Mr. Chair. When can we expect the approval from Katendi?
Oh, okay. Can we expect get the approval by tomorrow? Because it's just need to review, right? Whether it's
Yeah, I think so. Have you had any discussion with Katendi on this, Hansen? After you're done with it, after you were done with it too.
Not yet, but I already tagged Katendi also on my Trello card. So I haven't follow up to Katendi about.
Okay. Let's give a deadline for tomorrow for the approval. Yeah, for now.
Yeah.
Thanks. Back
So
to
it's,
Katendi.
Yep. Thank you, PD. And continue to Nadifa. There is an issue on high page view, but no inquiry coming. Investigate the possible root cause and discussion the solution. Any update on this one, Nadifa? Is Nadifa here? Oh yeah. Oh no.
Maybe
yeah.
this can help.
Oh.
The
Yeah,
result from the
sorry.
discussion.
Yes, actually, we've discussed this one. We discover some strategic possibility solution. Jadi bukan yang directly to why it's not, but our proposition is basically to create a tool. Tapi it's not possible based on product development point of view, because we cannot collect the data of page view in Airbnb to redesk. Itu nggak bisa. Jadi our solution is actually trying to compare the page view and inquiry. Kita investigate single property, Mas Gani. For example, Bilan Choice. Itu views-nya sampai 5.000 but only one inquiry. So that we need to investigate gitu. Jadi kita lebih ke ngarahinnya which one we need to prioritize. Jadi yang ada potensi tinggi but we haven't get like banyak inquiry ataupun instant booking. Dari sana palingnya. But the tool is not possible to be developed since we cannot scrape the view from Airbnb. Therefore, might need to look at Airbnb langsung, but the inquiry itself already in Redash. Comparisonnya seperti itu. Yeah, I think or Nadia or Mas Bayu, is that correct that we cannot access the view in Airbnb? It's listing, Mas.
Maksudnya mau ini kan, nge-scrape datanya kan?
Ya, betul.
Yeah, we can, but it's not reliable. Some profile bisa, some profile not. Terus kita nggak bisa regularly update it, karena Airbnb juga regularly revoke the credential. Jadi itu yang jadi masalah. Sebenarnya bisa-bisa aja kalau misalnya sekali ngerjain, tapi manual labor dan nggak tahu nantinya akan bisa ke-update secara otomatis atau enggak gitu.
So prefer to just use manual?
Iya, yang mana sih yang mau di-upload? Coba.
Yang ini, yang total. Coba sort to highest, Mas. Apa namanya? Highest page view. Nah, boleh.
Highest page view.
Kanan.
Dari 5 Desember.
Totalnya aja.
Ya, totalnya. Ya, sekali lagi. Nah, gitu. Jadi the total itu kita lihat, oh ternyata the Pondok ini itu deliver so much views, but what's about the inquiry gitu. Nanti investigate kalau memang rendah conversionnya yang itu diprioritasin. Karena the solution itu nggak bisa general gitu. From our investigation. Jadi bisa jadi the price is not correct or like there's something wrong with the listing gitu. Jadi harus diinvestigate specifically gitu.
Ini angka yang dibutuhin cuma ini aja.
Yang kanan.
Nambahnya sama totalnya itu kan?
Sebenarnya total sih Mas. Nanti inquiry data kan in Redes. We'd like to see the conversion sih basically in each listing.
Ya, oke. Vidi, apa namanya solusi yang tadi itu kira-kira bisa nggak kalau kita scrape langsung pakai script di browser?
Bisa. Dan ada satu lagi mungkin juga. Kalau ini pakai akun Chandra ya, Kak Gani ya? Akun Chandra itu ada semua listing atau ada listing nggak masuk?
Semua listing udah aku update 700.
Bisa akun ini aja nggak, Kak? Satu akun ini.
Oh, wait. Ini akun ini udah ada semua
listing
gitu?
Yes.
Ya.
Oh.
700.
Ya, ini lebih mudah kan kalau cuma satu doang kredensialnya.
Ini perlu kita cek ya, dia kredensialnya strict atau enggak. Kalau akun Tendi itu dia akan otomatis nge-refresh terus. Nah, kalau akun ini enggak, ini bisa kita pakai untuk semuanya malah, untuk fetch semuanya. Oke. Nah, ini emailnya apa?
Chandra.bukitvistabali@gmail.com.
Aku nggak punya aksesnya ya.
Mungkin nanti ada
discussion
antara Kak Gani sama Kak Bayu kali ya.
Ntar Gani kasih aku lagi.
Nanti update-nya bisa dikasih ke BI juga.
Okay, noted. So Lilis, this is different with SPO ya? It's different ya?
Yes, this is about your problem related to awareness, high page view sama low.
Okay. So is there any Trello card to list so we can check the progress?
Okay, we haven't checked the Trello card. We don't have it, but let's see. Where should it belong, Mas Bayu? Is it in PD Stack or and I visit as clients or Nadiva visit as client? Atau gini?
On Guess What kali ya?
Guess What? On product development deh. Di situ nanti I'll discuss with Nadia deh for this one. Who will be the champion for this?
Who is the chair? Who is the champion for this? Nadiva.
Nadiva, yes, from BI Nadiva.
Okay. So, Mr. Secretary, you can tag Nadiva to create a Trello card on the Guest Spot, and then mention I don't know, PG and Mas Bayu as well to check the progress of scrap the listing. Okay, for the website. Oh yeah. Okay, so I think this one is checked. So the next dependency is on the Trello card, yeah. So we can check the process on Trello card. Next is from technology, from Nadia. Observe the dependency from awareness team about website. Over to Nadia.
Thank you. So I already observed regarding the dependency. So actually I listed some of the issues there. For example, regarding the language switcher, because the language switcher actually using plugin, yeah. So and somehow the plugin required a higher version of the Elementor, and we in product development actually kind of afraid to upgrade because we tried once and it's actually kind of make the website down. So probably I'm putting that in our backlog for now. And also regarding the properties that showing on the map is actually because the listing itself doesn't have any map link. So yeah, it's like the previous one that we did, Gani.
Okay.
That's why the default location is on Miami. And regarding the sort by price, I already put that in the website Trello campaign, and I will put that updates.
Okay. Noted, Nadia, thank you very much. So, Mr. Secretary, you can tag me for the next dependency that I will complete the link maps on each listing, so it's not default location, yeah. So it's more more detail. So for the short pricing, can we expect to done by next week, Nadia? Or when?
Right. Okay, let's just put that by next week first, and in product development we will discuss that.
Okay, Mr. Secretary. Next dependency from product development to sorting the price. Okay, Didi. Okay, I think just that for the last week dependency. Is there anything that I missed? Oh yeah, all good yeah. Okay, so right now let's focus on weekly funnel update. Okay, let's start from the awareness first. Okay. Yeah, okay. So report from awareness, first from Airbnb. The conversion from listing views to inquiry still 0.1. The SLA is 0.2%. But conversion from listing view to instant book, actually it's already achieved the SLA, 0.03%. And the insight that we got is last week we did the daily content doctor and listing launch new listing with a new type of description. It's actually executed by KW. So we are especially on the things to note ini ya, kan biasanya Q&A, the question, what is the question, what is the answer. But right now we change, no need to question anymore, just langsung huruf kapital, setiap infonya apa, kemudian bawahnya informasi langsung. So no wordy, no long information, just strict, direct to the point. Yeah, I think by this kind of type of description, it can help to increase the instant book. Okay, I think just that from the Airbnb. Next, continue campaign. So actually there is no posting activity. That's why the number of listing view and inquiry is dropped quite a lot. We can see in the graph here. Yeah, okay, so this one Facebook SLA ya, targetnya adalah 10,000, but on target per week itu 10.000, but on first week of January kayaknya nggak sampai 5.000. So the number of listing view is drop quite a lot, as well as the number of inquiry, Facebook inquiry also drop. So the problem is because no posting activity, and the focus of this week is listing maintenance, update the price and availability to reduce low quality inquiries. So as you can see, last month on the Facebook is we have tons of listing view, tons of inquiry, but that is a low quality inquiry. So we need from the awareness team, we will do the listing maintenance to improve the inquiry quality. Okay, I think that's that from Facebook. Continue on the Instagram. On New Year Eve, Instagram open performance is very good, basically. So profile visit average was increased 23% compared to previous week, but same same guideline basically. And the inquiries, we got 15 inquiries on the 28th until 31 December and 5 inquiries on 1 and 4 January. So insight from inquiry analysis by Jocelyn is most asked question is about availability. This is similar to Airbnb inquiries because when we post the property on Airbnb, we need to regularly update the availability. So once it's posting, we need to check again, review again. And then the most inquiries that come purely from Instagram are Indonesian, and foreigner are usually directed from Airbnb. So for the next action on Instagram campaign is first finish the content metrics by next week, so we can start doing listing maintenance as well as change the first sentence of the caption to the new format. This is executed by Jocelyn. Thank you very much, Jocelyn, for this initiative. I think this is very good. We follow Facebook guideline, Facebook best practice the Facebook campaign. So we are easier to maintain the listing. The second is inquiry coming from Airbnb to Instagram is now a lot of more compared to views ago. Okay, I think just that from the Instagram campaign. Last one is from website. Last week, page view is 882 page view, 41% above the SLA. This is because of seasonality as well, very high. And the inquiry also increased. We got 9 inquiry. It's still above the monthly SLA, which is 8 inquiry per month. But in a week, we got 9 inquiries. And the UI UX improvement will be executed starting from this week by product development. Okay, I think that report from awareness. Is there anything that you want to ask or comment from awareness? Okay, over to VD.
Yep, one question regarding the new template, yeah. So this
Yep.
is like an update on how we create descriptions. So this is
Betul.
update on the tool, yeah. Just make sure that we track the performance.
Oh yeah.
Like when will we evaluate this tool? Like in 1 week or 2 weeks?
I believe we will inspect every 2 weeks, VD. Jadi biar kelihatan dulu hasilnya. Jadi minggu ini daily content doctor tiap hari kan checks the description, and then we can see the result. I think 2 weeks after daily content doctor.
2 weeks, yeah. Okay.
So
okay.
we can check the result on this Airbnb daily content doctor. Ya,
Okay.
di sini.
Okay. Can we create a experiment card for this, and so that we have a due date? Due date, yeah. But whether we want to update the guideline or we want to revert back using the old documentation.
Oh, berarti ini eksperimen ya, video hitungannya ya?
Ya, hitungannya eksperimen kan.
Oh, okay.
Satu
okay.
itu. Number 2, regarding the suggestion last week on putting timestamp on the description, but now it's changed to writing like we update the availability every day ya. Kan diganti jadi based on the activity ya. Is that like the result of the discussion awareness chapter or?
Yeah, this is the result of discussion with me, Kak W, and Mr. Jing as well for the awareness team.
So this kind of like supersedes the timestamp ya? The timestamp method.
Yep.
Okay.
So first we add on the hero photo, and the second on the top of the description.
Yep.
So berarti ini card baru ya, video ya, new card eksperimen ya?
Ya eksperimen yang mengenai description.
Oh, okay. So for Mr. Secretary, can you put the new dependency or KW to create new card experiment card on the Trello, so we can check the progress. Mr. Zing?
Gunny, thank you. How many days has that been running with the new availability label and the changes?
I believe it will be start by this today, sir.
Oh, it hasn't started yet.
Yeah, no, I haven't.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Just that for awareness team. Okay.
I have questions, Mas Ken.
Oh yeah.
Related to the Facebook maintenance, who will monitor that, scheduling and etc.?
Yeah, that will be a good question, Lilis. Scheduling for new property ya?
No, like the maintenance, sorry.
Oh, maintenance.
And I believe for new property, it's also can be delegated to marketing, since you know, right? When we have new property, so just directly schedule it for launch.
Yeah. For the listing maintenance, I have delegated to Kevin to listing maintenance, but for scheduling, I can handle it for at the moment. Please scheduling for new properties.
All right, and also maintenance. I believe that last week it's not executed yet, and I think it's because no specific time dedicated for that. So I think we need to do that, Mas. Yeah. like
Yeah,
target
yeah, okay.
berapa properti per week.
Yes, okay. Thank you, Lilis, for Mr. Secretary. Please put a dependency for scheduling new property to posting on Facebook, and then scheduling for listing maintenance every week. So I can handle it at the moment. Okay, thank you, Lilis, for the question. Any other question to our team? No. Okay, I will continue to the next panel, which is conversion. Okay, conversion. I offer to Nadine, perhaps.
Yep. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So yes, can you please scroll to the bottom? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, there is a stat for the January 2022 already. So there is some drop for the some platforms like website and agents. We have 0% of conversions at the very beginning of the week, because as we know that mostly of the inquiries that coming to website, it was in the day of the New Year's Eve, right? For the last minute bookings, people are looking for the last minute room, which is we haven't able to convert at that time because of the supplies that they are looking for, and also it's not possible to be proceed for the cold calling because of the because it's last minute. But for the Airbnb, it's still maintained, and we see some increase in the Facebook campaign. I believe because what the awareness funnel already stated as well previously, that the inquiries has been dropping, so that's why the conversion is also increased. And Instagram, there is slightly drop because the number of the inquiry is also reducing, for this week, since it's still the very beginning of the week, but it still maintain the SLA. So, but for the general overall SLA, this is the highest, I think, this week compared to the previous weeks, actually. So yes, that's basically it for the stats update on the from conversions.
Okay, thank you, Nadine. I have a question regarding the website. Is this because we doesn't have supply in our inventory, or do you think we need to add more listing on the website, Nadine?
Actually, within all the conversations, we always do the cross sell, right, Kak Gani? Actually, we discover the needs, but yeah, we have no supply for these inquiries mostly, karena very last minute juga.
Okay. Have you
for the property?
Yeah.
It's actually the inquiry, it's documented, nanti bisa dilihat propertinya apa desirability-nya.
Okay. So that could be delivered to the BD team as well, ya, Nadine, berarti ya?
Yep.
Okay. Any question to conversion team? Going once, going twice, no question. Okay, I think that's that. Thank you very much, Nadine, and congratulations for keep maintaining the SLA. I think it's still a very good performance, for the conversion team. Okay. Wait. Let's continue to the next panel, which is transformation. So, who is the PIC for the transformation? Is it Mas Tendi or Muti?
Kak Tendi have a meeting offline.
Okay.
Okay.
Over to Muti.
Yeah. Can you scroll down? Yep. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. So for the SLA cancellation, yes, we almost achieved because we at 25% for the SLA, and cancellation, for the cancellation is can you scroll down? Yep.
Maximal.
Yep. Yeah. For the cancellation is 25%, and we are not achieve it because for now is really less cancellation. And for the gas extended.
Gas extended. Okay.
Yes, betul. For gas extension stay rate is 5.9. We actually achieved that because the reason why we achieve it mostly is because the property is fits with their budget actually. And I already filled down the name of the extension gas. Scroll down, Mas Gani.
Okay. This one?
No. Scroll down
Okay.
again.
Oh, ini.
Yep. This is the guest name for the extension. Like that. It's
Okay.
because I guess it's because also we always offer the extend like before the day they want to check out. We always like courtesy to the guest, like, do you want to plan to extend, but if the properties are available only, like that. The courtesy to the guest, do you want to plan to extend or something like that. And for the guest certain is 0%. Guest certain. It's very rare see for certain. It's for the previous month, the certain is because the gas is commonly it's because the business trip or because the what is that, quarantine. But for this month, this week is there is no gas certain. Thank you, Mas Gani.
Okay. Any other things, Muti? No, yeah.
No, I guess that's all. Thank you.
Okay. PG?
Yeah, I just want to clarify. Also reminder to Muti that we don't want the cancellation rate to be high. We want it to be less.
Maksimal 25% kan?
Maksimalnya 25%.
Yeah, that's what I'm pointing out just now because Muti said we are not achieving 25%, so it's not correct.
Yeah. That's one. And then second, I believe that BI evaluated the transformation KPI for the gas cancellation. And there is a proposition to reduce the gas cancellation percentage to 20%. Yeah, Lilis, yeah.
Yeah, that's for the cancellation, and then also we have proportion for shorten, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Muti, can you have you evaluated in your chapter? I believe I delivered it to Ara already.
Yes, Kalilis.
Already discussed with the new proposition of the SLA.
I'm not sure. I think no, from Kak Tendi and Kak Ara.
Oh, not yet. Okay, yeah, that's our proposition. Please remind Ara to review that and come with the decision before next week meeting ya. Next week meeting in the squad maksudnya. Jadi ada new proposition since we observe the potential in the future and also the history. So
Okay.
yeah, that's that.
Thank you, Kalilis.
Lilis, question. So what can awareness team can help to reduce the number of cancellation? Can we set the strict atau apa itu?
There's two questions. We haven't examined that actually. We are talking about the SLA percentage, but related to cancellation policy, our last research is we find out that people trying to get more price video compared to cancellation so like it doesn't matter what's the cancellation policy. Jadi sebenarnya in that time I forget, but the latest research we decide to not modifying the cancellation policy as it right now.
Okay, got it. Yep, thank you, Lilis, for the answer. Is there for apa tadi transformation chapter?
And just one more question, sih. Regarding the gas extension, right? Just now, the reason stated was because the property itself, Muti, the supply itself,
Yeah, correct, Kavidi.
From our side, however, are there any process in the guideline that actually helps improving the probability of this extension. Over to Muti.
The office extension, Kak?
No, are there any process in the guideline that makes guest extend?
Yeah, there are, me and Katendi already make the guidelines how to pursue the extend, the guest extend.
So this is in terms of reminder or any like services?
Yes, services just like services extra service, unrecognized guests, we provide that for the, so we want to like just like yesterday we discussed, like give the extra services, like we celebrate their special event, something like that. So we make the, from the guest persona, we collect the guest ID, and after that we notate their birthday, and we surprise their birthday. We aim the long stay guests for the birthday surprise.
Yep. So from this list of guests that you attach here, the breakdown, those guests have received the extra service, yeah, that is written in the guideline.
This one, no, not yet.
Okay, so this one, no extra service, but they extend either way.
Yep, yeah, it's because of the property for this one.
Okay, then should we do like go back to your chapter and let's discuss like each of the point, because this will be like a new process, right? Like a campaign, not really a process yet, but a campaign on what to do to improve extension, right? And to make sure that it works and be updated in the process itself, we have to conduct experiments. So let's bring it back to your chapter, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So do we need the Trello card as well, PD, to?
Yeah, for experiments. Yeah, because for example, if we let's say from 20 long-term guests, we celebrate. I don't know. Let's say we want to celebrate the guest birthday because we want them to extend from 20 guests that we celebrate. Maybe I don't know. Maybe 5 extends. So that's 5 out of 20, right? So it does not suit the hypothesis if like the intent of the why you do it, right? If it's for review, then if we observe that the review actually improves after we celebrate the guest birthday, then that's good. But that's for another reason. So we have to have that kind of specific reason for the process itself.
Okay. Thank you very much, PD, for the explanation. So berarti new dependency ya for the transformation, especially to Muti. So next week we expect that Muti will create the Trello card to check to track the experiment of guest extension, whether the guideline is working or. Yes, really.
I haven't seen the guidelines yet, but imagining that the campaign that you like do is to really try use that gitu. Jadi maksudnya for some upcoming guests that would like to extend, I believe not only celebrating birthday misalnya gitu kan. Try to make some options of service that is actually fulfill the what transformation do you want? Itu dulu dipikirin. Apakah needs-nya apa namanya desire atau expectation atau undesirable needs, kan that's first ya. Extension kan impact of that, right? Jadi coba aja beberapa just try to apply it gitu, because I believe memang if there is no additional service, some guests also will extend because they love the property and etc. That's first, provide service, but second investigate aja why they actually wants to extend kan. Nanti itu bisa jadi reference buat persuade others juga. Kayak gitu. Tapi kayaknya tadi baru plan, tapi emang kayaknya baru plan ya Muti ya yang birthday tadi itu, dan juga of course we don't really know apakah birthday-nya datang dengan waktu dia extend gitu. Bahkan enggak mungkin kan, we don't really know about that. Jadi mesti ada second plan, third plan, and etc. juga gitu. Yeah, I think that's my additional thought, Mas Kani.
Mantap, Lilis. Over to Moti. Do you have any question or is it
Thank you,
already
Kali.
clear?
Yep, I guess that's all. I get it.
Oke,
Thank
mantap.
you.
Itu berarti di record di experimental card-nya juga ya, Muti ya. Oke, mantap. Transformation. Continue to advocacy. So for the advocacy, who is person in charge? Mas Tendi. So.
Muti.
Oh, okay. Muti again. Okay. Over to Muti.
Yeah. Scroll down. Sorry. Yep. For the check-in rating is 4.8, but we are not achieved yet. And the cleanliness rating also, if you can scroll down, we are not achieved it yet in the review. Cleanliness.
Okay.
Also the check-in rating, we are not achieved it.
Okay.
Still more to go.
Do we have a guideline, Muti, to improve this SLA?
Yeah, me and Kak Tendi is working for the guideline. Kak Tendi would like to inspect it.
So when we can expect that this guideline is start to adopt? Muti?
Me and Kak Tendi is planning at 6th January.
6 January, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Any other update, Muti?
I guess that's all, Kak.
Okay, for advocacy, yeah. Okay, over to the floor. Do you guys any question for advocacy chapter? Check-in rating, cleanliness. Okay, yeah. I think just that, yeah. Okay, let's continue to technology. Oh yeah,
technology. For the review, all the reviews have been inserted into the database, right? No issues anymore?
Nope, Kak.
Review.
Already okay, yeah?
Already okay, Kak Vidi.
Okay.
Review compression. Okay.
Because when you look at the review breakdown, like the review list in the dash, it doesn't appear. Maybe there are some data that is lost, but yeah.
Kita cek dulu ya. Januari 2000
Masih ada review yang ada di RBB tapi nggak ada di Redash nggak? Ya.
Oh.
I will inspect this actually.
Cek dulu ya. Nanti koordinasi sama Nadia.
Okay, Kak.
Okay.
Thank you, Kak.
Okay, so for the dependency, thank you, Vidi, for inspecting that. For the dependency is Moti will coordinate with Nadia to check the review conversion. Some review hasn't appear on the Redash. Okay, gitu ya. Thank you. Continue to technology. This is going to Mas Bayu atau Nadia ya? Mas Bayu?
Okay.
Nadia sakit.
No, I'm still here. Okay, thank you. So basically, for product development is we're going to inspect actually the use of the tools. Like for example, as you can see on the itu Skani bisa tolong buka tools and feature adoption.
That,
yeah. Okay, so wait, still not showing.
See.
Okay.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. So we can actually see from the graph itself, the last update or the last use of the guest persona feature is actually since 26th of November. So we actually from the development would like to ask the host reservation team, is there anything apa sih namanya?
Adoption.
Regarding the adoption of the tool itself. Still not yet applicable from the team.
Okay, so let's ask to host and reservation team to Gray. Do you have any update about the guest persona tools?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, is it about the guest persona?
Yep.
Yeah, I still use it actually just to put on the birthday and the photo for the guests.
But
And
why?
usually if
Ya, why the last data is on November 26 ya? Masih dipakai terus Gray sampai sekarang?
yeah, it still got used actually. Oh, I don't know why the last input is 26 November.
Muti also confirm that. So I think it's on I don't know, Rides. Back to Nadia to check apa namanya data submitted.
Yeah, actually, I'm looking at the database at the moment. The last updated, actually, yeah, on November.
Oh. Mas Bayu, can you help me, Mas Bayu? So, berarti harus
I will
gimana?
also do a recheck with all the guest persona if it got entered or not, probably.
Yeah. So basically, kalau nggak ada entry, it's not recorded here.
Gray, recordernya gimana?
Kalau aku biasanya aku input di internal notes terus baru input. I usually only input the birthday actually.
Okay, internal notes is different feature actually. Guest persona is used to track the information about guests. Internal notes is about the booking.
Yep.
So basically, if there's one guest booking now and we know the birthday, and then the guest book another booking, if we don't put it on the guest persona, we will not know that his birthday anymore because it's recorded on the internal notes. Internal notes belong to the booking, but guest persona belongs to the guest. Even though there's a multiple booking, we will know that this is same guest.
Yep. I understand. Yep. So I will try to brief it with the other team as well. But maybe we can confirm to Mutia because Mutia also update the persona. Do you input anything, Mutia?
Yeah, I always input the guest persona for attach the photo of the ID card. Actually, even the ID card is so many picture. Yeah, after I update it, I always update the birthday, that, and after that, attach the photo of the ID card, like that.
Okay, so I think this one is on the adoption issue. So I'd like to, I don't know, Nadia with Muti and Gray to have some discussion about the adoption issue, whether mungkin apa submitnya ada yang salah atau mencet tombolnya salah. So that's become a next week dependency. So
Sure.
yeah, Muti, Gray, and Nadia. Okay. That's from technology. Continue to the BI. Who's the BI? PD?
Hansen is here. And Adifa, if they have updates.
For me, there's no updates on the guidelines. Maybe I have touched the guidelines, and for the I will change the guidelines for the occupancy ones for a visualization on the retest.
Yeah. Hansen, can you attach your tools in the thread, latest thread? Because Hansen is actually producing. This is related to. This is partnership. Hansen, I believe. Hansen created a tool where compare the Bukit Vista occupancy and owner occupancy. Correct, ya Hansen, ya? Yeah. Basically, would like to identify. Pertama adalah commitment from the owner. Second adalah our ability to convert. Itu sebenarnya both a guest and also ya boleh di Trello Kak Gani. Apa namanya? Our ability to fill up the occupancy and also owner gimana kayak gitu. Jadi itu toolsnya Hansen. So again, it helps prioritization sih sebenarnya. And it can be both for guests and also partnership in this case.
Yeah, yang Flash API for occupancy saving script. That's an example of the results.
See.
I believe I also touched the images as well from Hansen's results.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah, we can open just one lesson, for example. Yeah.
This one. Okay. So what this mean, VD?
Hansen, you want to explain?
It means like on
this for
an example, yeah. For example, on the Villa IKL Langit 1, the owner or occupancy PV is 1 and the others is 0, like that.
The left one is the owner occupancy, right?
0.2 like this.
Or Bukit Vista. Forget.
Okay, the left one is how much the owner occupy the property. For example, let's go to the other screenshot, because for this page, it also includes the property for non-partner, and that's why it's blocked. So let's simply open this one, for example. Yeah, we do see that in Prama Beach, for example, the owner does occupy fully for the period taken for 2 of the guest house. For Prama Beach guest house 6 and 8 are full by owner, and half occupied by owner for 4 and 5. While Bukit Vista for number 5 occupied 0.4 of the total calendar available. So it means we do still have the capability to fill in the occupancy for the property, right? But the others are occupied. So that might be taken like action on. And then, for example, in Rumah Noni, the owner does not take a lot of occupancy. It's only 0.07. But from Bukit Vista itself, we only occupy 0.1 we only fill in 0.1 from the particular period.
0.1% gitu, is it?
Oh no, so 0.1 is 11%.
11%.
Although the owner itself does not only takes about 7.4% of the occupancy from the period.
Okay.
For Rakarai, for example, we do occupy Rakarai Villa. We do occupy 66%, but the owner occupied 33%. So it's like aside from the owner, we occupy full. So we have to do something about that because probably we can also occupy that further, right?
Okay. Okay. I think we need to more context, with how to read the data, how to.
I was gonna say that too. I can't read that.
I don't know what this means.
Yep. I believe so. But it haven't ready to floor out siapa namanya Hansen actually. It's just initiated actually, but the final output will be a graph where we can see comparison between the outputs. And I think you can add one more, which is availability, Hansen. Jadi aside of that, kita punya availability. So that can be a reference juga buat awareness team on which one we can optimize. Something like that.
Yeah.
Kayak gitu. But I think it needs to be covered in more elegant way, Hansen. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so new dependency, Mr. Secretary, to add Hansen to add more context, so easy to read for everyone in this company.
Oh yeah, like on top of this, actually, the result of this one is not meant to be read like this anymore because Hansen have updated the code so that Redash will call it from the Flash server and Redash will visualize the data. Originally, it is in table form like this from the site, the Flash site that is currently done. So it will be updated. But yeah, that's one dependency.
Thank you, VD. Mr. Zing, want to add something?
Yeah. Okay. This is a quick kind of overall to the squad, right? So anything. This is just to check if there is good coordination happening between chapters and squads. Has this squad experienced any frictions related to chapter guidelines that have not been improved or addressed? Let's just say with the few chapters that I'm involved with, awareness, conversion, or advocacy. Have there been any issues that have been raised with guidelines in the chapters of awareness, conversion and advocacy that have not been sufficiently, revised or improved upon so far?
Start from awareness. I think the guideline about the daily content doctor, sir. So we need to revise. So they came up with new innovation to change the.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's already seen in revision. What about for conversion? Have there been any frictions in conversion that need revisions to the guidelines?
I believe I remember one case is about expiration of blocking. It's technical, but I believe it's affect availability.
Okay, then we would need to see that in the guideline discussions for conversion.
Yeah,
Okay. All right.
make you over to Gray for that case because Gray handling that already solved. Gray.
Yep, I already briefed it, but I don't think it's recorded in the guideline yet. I will note that down to make the
Okay,
guideline.
good.
Yep.
Okay. And third one is advocacy. Anything in advocacy any guidelines in advocacy that need to be revised based on discussions that are happening here?
So far, it's transformation, sir, that we updated, not advocacy. Advocacy have not updated. But transformation, yes, we updated the campaigns.
Okay,
options.
Understood. Okay, that's just a quick chapter squad sync up or understanding. Okay, thanks. I'll go over to the conversion chapter now.
Thank you, Mr. Ding. Okay, so quick wrapping up, PD. So can we take a look on our actionable? What is the focus for this week, PD? Can you share?
Yep. For awareness chapter, we have Kagani to complete the address for listings in website, and Kawe to create the card on guest squad board to track experiment result for description guideline update for Airbnb, and Kagani as well to schedule the new property and Facebook listing maintenance. From there are no dependencies for conversion chapter. But for transformation chapter, we have Katendi to confirm the result from Hansen's guest transformation classification tool by tomorrow. Katendi again to evaluate the SLA that is proposed by BI. Mutia to track the performance of guest transformation campaigns to evaluate the performance of the proposed campaigns. And from advocacy, we have dependency for Mutia to coordinate with Nadia to make sure that the reviews are already in Redash. From technology, there is Nadia price stored in website to be completed by next week, and Kabayu to approach Kagani on Chandra's account credential for newspaper. And actually, there are two more dependencies that have not been noted. Nadia to invite the Mutia and also Gray for the guest persona usage.
Adoption.
And also for strategy, it's Hansen to make sure that the occupancy is well displayed by next week.
Okay. Yep. Thank you very much, Vidi, for wrapping up the conclusion. Is there anything that I'm missing on question? No? Okay, yeah. All good, yeah. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for attending today's guest squad meeting. Nadia, you can stop the recording. And